So I'm giving you an update on my favorite airdrop at the moment. I don't know why I love it, but I just like it. Okay, maybe probably the concept, because I don't have a lot of tasks to do. Okay, if you go under Endcoin, only have to invite and buy players and buy workers. Okay, and to buy workers, I need to create a workplace and hire people. Okay, so when you hire people, okay, there are two ways for you to send them to work for you. So in this case, I have 9 people, which means I also have 9 workplaces. So I'm collecting my reward. I'm earning 2,700 every 1 hour. Okay, so now there's something I discovered. When I send these 9 people to work for the fastest, which is every 1 hour, I get my reward. I earn 2,700. But when I send the same 9 people to go and work for me for 7 hours, I earn, is it 7,000 or 8,000 plus? Okay, I think about 8,000 plus. And you find out that it is more profitable if they work for me, if you're using the fastest option. So what do? I use the fastest option during the day when I am active, and every 1 hour I go and claim my reward and send them to go back to work again. Okay, then at night when I know I'm asleep, at least I sleep 5 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours. Okay, now that we're on holidays, probably 7 hours. So I send them to work for me 7 hours. So right now I'm going to send them to work for me for the fastest hour, and they are back to work. So when they work, my points will increase. So let me do a refresh, because it takes some seconds for my points to upgrade. So right now I'm sitting at 23,773 diamonds. Okay, I'm currently in the Emerald League, and I'm looking to always reinvest my points by creating more workplace and buying more workers. Okay, so you can be my friend by signing up, okay, using my link, and I am hiring my people. Right now I hired this person, and he's working for me. Okay, and he's working for me, and I believe on his own end he is also getting some reward for working for me. That's what I believe. So if you want us to be a team, click on and sign up on the link in this video, whether in the comment section or on the screen of the video, and sign up, and let's be a team and work together, and let's hope that this turns out like Major, which benefited a lot of their members. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Till I see you guys next time. Take care and bye for now.